one area of application of automation systems is within machines. So you have OEMs making machines, and they have to use PLCs to do the control of the machine. So it's like a point solution. It's just controlling that machine. But it is a huge effort for them to either have, again, their own engineers to do that, development of the control system while they are developing a machine, or they have to pay somebody else to do it, which is all, it is quite expensive. The other thing, it takes a long time. Because you have the mechanical people, they're doing the design, and then they have to explain to the PLC engineer or the automation engineer what they are doing. And there's back and forth.
Medieval.
It's your fault. No, it's not it's my, that's a mechanical issue. No, it's not. That's a control issue. And so they carry on. So an OEM company, they are interested in developing a new machine. Now they are forced to develop new control systems for their machines. And it's a nuisance to them. They don't want to do that. It takes time, and it slows down the development of their new product. So if they can have a device that is much easier to set up, is flexible enough to be able to control their whole machine, it makes it lower cost for sure, less expertise required. But a critical factor is it speeds up their development cycle by a lot. Very often the interface between the mechanical and the control people is what is a bottleneck in getting something done and running sooner. So a new area that I don't think has even been exploited is those OEM companies, and offering them something that they can have full control over. They can program it, and they can make it do what they want to do to operate their machine. And it becomes less of a factor for them because they don't want it to be a factor, right?
And don't forget also, faster development times, faster development cycles means faster sales cycles, right? It means more contracts, more projects. It's pure, and it's top line stuff as well as bottom line stuff.
And making their machines more customizable. Very often you have a machine, the mechanics is the same, but you want to do something slightly different. You can change the mechanics, change how something works, or but now you have to change the control system. And a lot of times an OEM has to say, we cannot do that because it's going to take too much time. It's going to be too expensive to now rewrite the code, the PLC code.
Just buy a new machine.
Well,
it's cheaper.
Either that, or if maybe it's a customer who says, I want that machine, but I want it to be able to do this and this. And then they have to say, sorry, cannot help you. Now, with something that's much easier and quicker to change how the control works, they can say, oh yes, no, we can do that. So we have to just change these parameters, make that a little bit different, and be able to implement that. Then they can actually sell a machine that they couldn't sell before.